Question 10. Let R be a relation. Question number 10. Let A is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is given to you 1, 5, 9, 11, 15 and 16 and F कोई रिलेशन इस दिया हुआ है, फंक्शन दिया 1,5, 2,9, 3,1, 4,5, 2,11. now प्रूव करना है. It is true. It is true. Number 1, F is a relation A to B. Second, F is a function A to B. Justify your answer. So for relation, it is a F is a relation. Solution 1. So F is a जो फंक्शन दिया हुआ है f is a subset of a cross b. First is the subset of a cross b and relation is a subset of a cross b. So a cross b मिल रहा है, a 1,5 एलिमेंट है, 2,9 है, 3,1 and 4,5 all are the subset हैं. सब ये क्या दिया हुआ है, subset of a cross b. This implies F is a relation A to B because relation is a subset of cross product of A cross B. Now solution 2. F is a function. Function is a special type of relation. We know that function is a special type of relation, but we know that two ordered pair have not same elements. Here we see that 2,9 and 2,11. Here 2,9 and 2,11. These two ordered pair have same first element. दोनों की इमेज सेम, यूनिक इमेज होनी चाहिए. Have same first element. So it is not a function. It is not a function. Now I will do question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. See here, question number 11. Let F be a subset of Z cross Z defined by AB, ordered pair है AB, A plus B, such that AB belongs to Z. Z कोई इंटीजर है. You have to ask, is a function from Z to Z? Is a function from Z to Z? Justify your answer. क्या ये फंक्शन है? तो चेक करते हैं, है ना. No two ordered pair have same first element. So I will take here, if I take here A2 B3, अगर मैं ये लेता हूं तो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर क्या मिलता है? व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर? ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है 2 into 3, 2 plus 3. So what I get? 6,5. Okay. If I take any other set, so this is the cross product of Z cross Z. Z cross Z का element है 6,5. This belongs to Z cross Z. Now if I take A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 6, you also take any other number. If you take this and make the ordered pair 1 into 6, 1 plus 6, you will get 6, 7. This also Z cross Z. So what is it here? Have same first element. So here two ordered pair have same first elements. Here two ordered pair have same first element. So it is not a function. So it is not a function. Now I will take question number 12. Question number 12. A is given to you 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, and F is defined is a relation A to, ये किसको बिलोंग कर रहा है? ये जो A सेट है किससे जा रहा है? नेचुरल नंबर से. डिफाइंड बाय Fn is equal to highest prime factor of n. Highest prime factor of n. You have to find range. You have to find Fn range. Fn is the highest prime factor. So Fn is highest prime factor. So first number is here 9. So what here first number is what? 9. तो 9 का प्राइम फैक्टर क्या होएगा? What is the prime factor of 9? इसका प्राइम फैक्टर क्या होगा? F9 का प्राइम फैक्टर क्या होगा? What is the highest prime factor of F9? 3 होगा. 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 3, 5, 9, 7, 9, 11, 9. 9 का हाईएस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर क्या होगा? This is the highest prime factor of 9. Now what is the highest prime factor of 10? 2 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 5 से भी हो रहा है, और किसी से नहीं हो रहा, बट किससे हाईएस्ट क्या है? 2 और 5 में 5. What is the highest prime factor of 11? 11 ही होगा. Why? What is the highest prime factor of 12? 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, 3 से हो रहा है, बट हाईएस्ट क्या है? 3, 5 से होगा नहीं. What is the highest prime factor of 13? Is 13. So what is the range? Range is 3, 5, 11, 3, 5, 11 and 13. This is the range.